Hello everyone, so starting a new video. This is QR4. This is the fourth video in this series, and this is called quick revision series under 10 minutes. Okay, so this time I'm coming up with a new topic, and this is from paper 1, and topic is 2.5, which is related to marriage. So in this video we'll discuss about a type of marriage. Let's begin. Okay, before we go for any kind of discussion on detail, so let's look into one previous year question. So this was asked in way back in 2014, and it was asked to write about the marriage and its various types in human society. So it was for the 15 marks. So you can try after this video and try attempting this answer, and you can write it in the comment below. So okay, so I think it's a good to at the start to look into that what are the various type of marriage. Then we'll discuss about the detail and characteristics and the definitions wise. So primarily the type of marriage are just two types. It is called monogamy, and then it is called polygamy. So under monogamy we have two forms. This is called serial monogamy, and the other one is called non-serial monogamy. If you look into polygamy, there are three forms. First is called polygamy, and second is called polyandry, and third one is called mix of both first and second. This is called polygamy gandry. Okay, if I'm pronouncing it not in right way. So the polygamy, this polygyny is kind of sororal and non-sororal polygamy, and the polyandry is there's a two form. First is called fraternal polyandry, and second one is called non-fraternal polyandry. So before we move ahead, so please keep these classifications of this type of marriage in mind, so that we'll discuss in detail about it. Let's go to the next. Okay, let's talk about monogamy. So monogamy is kind of a form of marriage in which there's a practice to have one spouse at a time. So it's just about having one spouse at a time. So here there's no specification that a kind of male or female, so both can be considered. So just to have is that one spouse at a time, and it has two forms. First is called serial monogamy, and this is form of marriage when man has a series of wife one after another, but only one wife at a given point of time. So that is called serial monogamy. If you look into, for example, Simang of Malay forest in Malaysia limit themselves to one wife, and in case of divorce or death, can just go with the next marriage and can have many wife afterwards. Means not just at a time, just one, but yes, definitely after divorce and death. And another form of monogamy is obviously a non-serial monogamy. So this is just opposite of this serial monogamy. So a man has a single wife, but throughout his life. So in case of divorce and death, so he does not have another wife or acquired any wife. So that's called non-serial monogamy. Moving ahead, so this is called polygamy. So this is kind of a form of marriage when an individual, here in this case a man and woman both, can have multiple spouse at any time. So this is the basic definition. A man and woman can have multiple spouse at any point of time or at any time. So this polygamy has kind of two forms. First is called polygamy, and second is called polyandry. So if we talk about polygamy, it's kind of like male has multiple wives at a time. And if we look into example, that Naga has kind of multiple wives at a time. But if that's called polygamy. There are two forms for this polygamy. This is called sororal polygamy, and this is called non-sororal polygamy. So in this case of sororal polygamy, so it is again a practice of polygamy, but the wives are sisters. So they are related to each other and they are sisters. So this is kind of a unique practice. If you wanted to know the example, so in tribe of Andaman Island and Kanikkar and Urali tribe of Kerala, so they do practice this sororal polygamy, where the wives are sisters and related to each other, and one man hold this wife. So there's another form of this polygamy is called non-sororal. So this is nothing but just opposite of that. So a man has multiple wives, but those wives are not related to each other and they are not sisters. So that is called non-sororal polygamy. Moving to the next. So this is all about polygamy and another form called polyandry. So let's talk about the definitions. So in this case, a woman can have multiple husbands at a given point of time. So that's a very pure, simple English and definition for polyandry. And if you look into that, what is the core kind of reason behind that? So the one of them is kind of shortage of women, and that is the one reason for the practice of polyandry. And if you wanted to just represent this via some, okay, so this you can represent via this form. So two women sharing a husband, that is here. So this polyandry is having two forms. So we'll talk about these two forms. What are those forms? First form is called fraternal polyandry, and second one is called non-fraternal polyandry. So fraternal polyandry is kind of multiple husband of women or brothers. So this is a kind of again a unique. And if we talk about that, it's wide practice. So if you remember in the last video also I mentioned this about example. So if you go to Sirmaur in the Himachal Pradesh, so you are more likely to get such kind of fraternal polyandry where a woman has multiple husbands and they are related to each other in sense they are brother. So it is more likely in a society with the scarce environmental resource. Obviously, this is the Himalayan state and where land is very scarce. So you got a very specific answer, right? That why it is happening and the very exact reason. For example, polyandry in Himalaya. This is what I told about that polyandry in Himalayan mountain is related to the scared city of land, and the marriage of all the brother in a family to the same wife allow family to hold the land intact and undivided. And second thing is that you will find that the child will be born out of just one woman, right? So the number of people will be very less, and it will be from just women, right, in terms of offspring. So this is a basic understanding about polyandry. Obviously, non-fraternal polyandry is opposite to this fraternal polyandry where woman has multiple husbands, but they are not related to each other in terms that they are not brothers. That's called non-fraternal polyandry. Okay, so it's a short video. I can't just include other and special type of marriage, which I will do, including group marriage in the next video. Plus, I will also look for some reasons, some socio-economic and environmental, and there are many other factors that kind of govern and have a strong reason behind this practice of polygamy. So stay tuned. Moving to the next, so as requesting that please give feedback on this video, and you will find the link in the descriptions. And above and over, you can always comment, like, share, and subscribe so that we are motivated and we go ahead with this series. Last but not least, please join our Telegram channel. This is a one single place that you will have all the information regarding this channel. We may be having a test series, a news, case study, or some other material that we have been continuously providing over there. So it's a one-stop place where you can be updated about your anthropology optional paper for UPSC. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. We'll come with the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.